Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this completely honest finding perfect changes everything. Hold on a second. I was honestly a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that the engineering behind it is brilliant, I was completely sold. It is an absolute lifesaver BC. It simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need this in your life is because it delivers outstanding results instantly. It's highly practical, compact, ADN packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade while stocks last.